I am super happy, proud to introduce our last lightning talk speaker and partner of the Digital Economist, Humanized AI, Jennifer.
Thank you. All right, good night. Hey everyone, how are we doing? Good, yeah. Should I show you my jacket? I have to show you my jacket. I got this jacket today to support these two lovely women that I absolutely love. I met very recently, but we're coining a new phrase, right? We're gonna coin a new phrase, and it's rapid action collaboration. So rapid action collaboration. You can do a lot if we work together. So I met these ladies less than a week ago. 3 weeks ago, Pink Line didn't think we would be here, so we didn't think we would be in this place. We work on AI, but we want diverse and inclusive AI. So I'm going to show you my jacket so you can see it. You just have to see it. The back of it. All right. All right, this is new and this is just for you guys, right? So my career was corporate America. I grew up in a very large tech company. I grew up in a very large consulting company. If I named the two names, you would all know who they were. So I worked for a lot of people, and then one day I decided, what if we built the world differently with a different model? So we started from the beginning, and I did something that was very, very different. So before Pink Lion ever made $1, we invested in investing back in things we believed in. So the first two things we did was we invested in women in AI, because I didn't see in tech and AI in my entire career lots of women in CEO roles. And I wanted more women in those roles, and we wanted them to be seen and heard. And especially in AI, when we look at what's coming, all professions, all jobs, everything will be using this, but we wanted it to leverage a diverse and culturally sensitive voice as we build the data sets. So we invested in that. My two partners, they're men, they're lovely. I love them very much. They said, Jennifer, you're nuts. We haven't made $1. I said, don't worry, it's gonna come back, you guys. It will come back. The next thing we want to do is we wanted to invest in culturally inclusive data sets. So we're a founding member of iVow, which if you go out there and look at them right now, is building culturally inclusive data sets, which is really important for all of us. So we're focused on those two items. We're less than 6 months old. I won't tell you how much we made, but I will tell you our latest collaboration project is my favorite. It is actually working with Dream Tank. So I will build on that. Rapid collaboration in action. Less than 3 days after I talked to Heidi about Dream Tank, I was so inspired about these kids that we set up a sandbox environment using Pink Lion's tools. And we showed it to these kids. And what I will tell you in that demo I did with her kids, to her point, they asked me better questions. I won't name names, but I work with some of the top tech companies in the world. One of them is mobile transport that maybe some of you are using here. And her kids asked me better questions in the time that I spent with them in that hour than I've gotten from some of our top senior executives. So what I would say is we invest in kids, we invest in diversity in AI, we invest back and rebuilding a company where we give back first, and then we just believe that people will believe in us as a company and they will leverage us for their solution provider and that platform for AI. So we'll actually show you a video. The kids are in it from Dream Tank.
At Pink Lion, we strive to provide AI to every person developing, testing, and managing software so they can create remarkable products. We're based in Middle America, making our creative partnerships deep and far-reaching. With Dream Tank, we're collaborating with next-generation leaders using our technology to test the games they're building for U.S. veterans. With AI Girls, we're building a platform for women in AI to inform a more inclusive future. With iVow, we're founding members of their Dataset Challenge, a vital effort to give cultural context to AI models. It's about the power of collaboration and action to make our cities smarter and accelerate the achievement of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Join us. Let's unlock potential and shape a more sustainable and inclusive future together.
The lion always has to roar at the end, right? So thank you, everyone. We are so proud, so honored to be a part of this. Thank you for having us. Pink Lion is so happy to be here. Woo!